In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom font to Canva. Now, I'm doing this to prep for creating a logo that uses a custom font. So first I'll show you how I got the font and then how to add it to Canva. Here I am logged into my Canva account. Now, I have the Pro plan, which is about $120 a year at the time I'm recording this. So it allows me to have a brand kit. You'll see over here on the left, there's brand, and it has this little crown beside it, which means that it is available on Pro plans or higher. So if you're going to be adding a custom font to Canva, you will need a Pro plan. You can do it for a month at a time if you just need it for a little while you're creating your logo assets, or I use Canva a lot, so I'm on the annual plan. So this is where I'm going to be adding my font, but first I want to show you how I found it. So I'm looking for a font, and one of my go-tos is Creative Market. When I'm looking for something that's a little different, lots of options to look for, I'll hop into fonts here. I know for this one that I want a sans serif font, and price-wise, I'm going to want it to be no more than $39. And this 20 to 39 feels great. And I can select my preview text. I wrote in my own here. The brand is going to be Christy Goes Places. You can choose the size, and then you can just scroll down to see what your preview text would look like in these different fonts. Now, this is close. I want something kind of retro. That's not exactly what I want. So I just go through and I look at these. If there's one that I like, I'll do a little screenshot of it and put it on my desktop, put it all in a document, look at them together, and then eliminate the ones that I don't really want. This is also close. I don't love the G here. So long story short, I found the font that I wanted. It's called Rowie, and it looks like this. I'm going to change the spacing a little bit, change it up a little bit, but this is the base font that I want. So I ordered this font from Creative Market. I'll drop a link below if you want to check out this font or other ones on Creative Market. And when you purchase the font, you're going to be able to download it to your desktop. So I've done that. Let me hop back into Canva. I'm going to go to Brand Kit. And now if I scroll here, I can go to Create New Brand Kit. And I'm going to call this Christy Goes Places Brand. And create. So now I have a new brand kit for my new brand. I'm going to come back and add logos after I create them. I need this font to do that. I have some ideas on colors. If you're interested, I'll do another video on how I selected colors for this brand. But right now, what we want to do is upload fonts. So for the title font, we are going to choose a font, choose upload a font, and then here are the Rowie fonts that were downloaded to my desktop. There's OTF, TTF, and WAF and WAF2. Now the WAFs are web fonts. Don't need those. OTF is usually the one that I'm going to choose when I'm doing brand work with it. It typically is a little better. Sometimes TTF will display a little better on a screen, but for these purposes, OTF is what I'm going to choose. I'll open that, confirm that I do in fact have the license for it, and now it's here. So I'm going to go ahead and check mark this to save it. And now I'm going to create a logo. And when I do that, it's going to pop me into my Christy Goes Places brands. I don't have any logos, colors, but I do have this font. So what I can do is just drag it onto the canvas here and type Christy Goes Places. Looks exactly like I remembered. That feels really good to me. And now I can run with it. I can create logos, re-upload those here so they're easy to use. Later on, I can come back, add colors, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons, and a lot of other stuff here. But just to get you started, this is how you add a custom font to Canva. If you are interested in checking out that font or seeing all the fonts on Creative Market, I'll drop a link below for you to check those out. And let me know what your favorite custom font is in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your branding.